A very good afternoon to one and all present here. My name is Nishant Singh, and I will and the assignment number is A3 Group Report and Recording, and the subject name is Strategic Management. Now I will talk about the introduction of firm. A firm is Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola company is a multinational beverage company, and the firm's main headquarters is mainly based in Atlanta, USA. The company is known for its manufacturing of various types of the soft drinks, which is being sold all over the world, which is important to understand. Firm mainly deals with the manufacturing of non-alcoholic beverages, and the Coca-Cola company is mainly known for its making of concentrate soft drinks and syrups, which is being sold all over the international market. The Coca-Cola company has the franchise type of the distribution system all over the global market. The Coca-Cola company produces various types of the syrups from which the firm retail its products to various bottlers, which is there all over the world. The Coca-Cola company produces over 500 types of soft drinks, which is being sold in the international market, and firm sells these 500 brand types of the soft drinks to 200 countries in all over the world. Not talking about a product. Our product is Coca-Cola Vanilla Coke. Vanilla Coke is the product of the soft drink which is being produced by the Coca-Cola company only. This type of the product is the vanilla flavored version of the Coca-Cola soft drink, which is already launched in the market. The initial distribution of the Coca-Cola vanilla flavored soft drink began in USA, followed by North and South America. In this type of the product, a mixture of the vanilla flavored is being added, as this type of the soft drink is being made up of the non alcoholic beverages, and mixtures of soda and sugar is being added up to form this type of the soft drink. From the nutritional point of view, a mixture of energy and protein is being added up so that it can form its initial base in the international market, which is important to understand. Now talking about the Answer Matrix. Answer Matrix is a strategy business tool which is being used by the strategic managers and the various types of the top business executives. And Answer Matrix is also called as growth matrix or the business matrix, which guides the business in its further development as to where exactly business stands in the international market, which is important to understand. It also sets a base for the various steps of the business on how to formulate the strategies in the international global market. Our first element is market penetration. In the market penetration, a firm tries to increase its market share through existing market position, which is important to understand, through the existing products is already sold to increase the performance of firm in the international market. Through market penetration, a firm tries to work on the pricing strategies in the global market and tries to increase sales for the firm in the market. In terms of Coca-Cola, it has tried to sell existing products in the market, and Coca-Cola has introduced new various types of soft drinks in the global workforce to expand their market position. Coca-Cola has used the promotion and place components of marketing mix so that customer can become aware of their existing products. Now, talking about the next element, product development. Vanilla Coke currently sits in the product development area of the Answer matrix, which is important to understand. In the product development, firm invents different types of the products and tries to sell it through its existing market. Vanilla Coke will come under product development because of the new things which is being added up in the soft drinks, and because of its new vanilla flavored which is being added in the Coke drink. Now talking about the next element, market development. Under this segment of Answer Matrix, the firm tries to find the new buyers with the existing products that they have produced, which is important to understand. Under market development, firm tries to studies different types of the markets from which they try to attract various types of the buyers, and tries to locate different target audience among the existing products which is being produced by the firm in the market. Relating to the Coca-Cola, it has launched Zero Diet Coke, and its main target was young population to attract different types of potential buyers with Coke already being launched in the market. Now talking about the related diversification. Under this segment of Anson Matrix, firm invents new products and tries to study new types of the market where where there can be related diversification among products and and differentiation strategies is being implemented very much effectively in the end, and tries to locate associated business or the various types of the markets risk which already prevails in the international market. In this segment, firm produces new types of the market, but with the existing variants which is still there in the products in order to capture the new lower end segment type of the market. In relation, firm has spent a million of dollars to acquire different brands, which tries to relate with the soft drinks only with the main aim of studying different types of the market, which is important to understand. Thank you. Thank you very much.